Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to get simple mode on iPhone. iPhones do not have a built-in simple mode like some Android devices, but you can make the interface simpler using accessibility and display settings. These adjustments can make the phone easier to use by increasing the text size and reducing clutter. This guide will show you how to create a simple mode experience on your iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility, choose Display and Text Size. Turn on bold text. Go back and tap Larger Text. Enable larger accessibility sizes. Adjust the slider to increase text size. Return to Accessibility and tap Touch. Enable Assistive Touch for easier navigation. Go back and tap Motion. Turn on Reduce Motion to simplify animations. Now return to home screen. Set App Library Only or organize apps into fewer pages. Remove unnecessary apps from the home screen for a cleaner layout. Tip: you can also use focus modes to reduce distractions and simplify your iPhone experience. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.